Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to modify our keyboard so when you're typing you don't actually hit the cap lock key. How many times are you typing along and you hit the cap lock key accidentally and everything starts typing in cap, or just you hit it the wrong time and the next letter is a cap and you have to go correct it? There's a way to do this. There's two ways. Software is called Key Tweak, where it goes in the registry. And you can disable the cap lock key or map it as another shift key. Or there's another way to do it, which is better, in my opinion, because you don't have to bother going in the registry. All you have to do is get a screwdriver, fast screwdriver. I'm using a green, orange stick. Go into the cap lock button, the keyboard, just right, pop it off. Just put it up. It doesn't take very much. Now it's off. You don't have to worry. It's not damaged. Now you can go ahead and do your typing away and not have to worry about hitting the cap locks. If you don't like that, just put it back on. And we're back in business. Just my little modification that I do to all my keyboards. Unless it's a laptop, some keys will not come off. Then you're forced to use Key Tweak. If you find the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to my best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.